everyone, we're going to find the first 4 terms and the 8th term of the recursively defined sequence. So basically, they've already given us the first 2 terms. We only have to find 2 more, actually 3, when we look for the 8th term. So we have v sub 1, v sub 2, I'm saying sub for subscript, v sub 3, and v sub 4. And we also have to find v sub 8. So v sub 1 is negative 3, v sub 2 is 2. Now v sub 3, what I'm going to do is use this index number here and substitute in my 3 for each of these. This should be an n here. So let's do that. We're going to get v, and then our n is 3 minus 1 plus v of 3 minus 2. This one's going to be v sub 4 minus 1 plus v sub 4 minus 2. Okay, for this one, we're going to get v sub 2 plus v sub 1. So basically, you're just adding these two. So 2 plus a negative 3, or 2 minus 3, equals negative 1. This one is going to be v sub 3 plus v sub 2. So v sub 3 is negative 1, v sub 2 is 2. So this is going to equal 1. So let's write this out and see what we can have. We've got negative 3, comma 2, comma negative 1, and then we have 1. So, oh boy. So what we're going to do is go ahead and find all the terms. So v sub 5 is going to equal v sub 4 plus v sub 3. So all we're doing is we're adding the previous terms to get the next one. So when you add these two, you get 0. When you add these two, you get 1. When you add these two, you get 1. When you add these two, you get 2. Now let's see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This would be v sub 8. We already did to v sub 4. This one's v sub 5, v sub 6, and v sub 7. They just asked for v sub 8. So basically, you're just adding the previous 2 terms to get to the next term. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.